part of chapter 11 I wanted to show you is a audio track mixer, I'm sorry, audio clip mixer. And if you want to add a specific soundtrack to a particular piece, you'll notice that sometimes the audio gets really, really loud and sometimes the audio gets really soft. And certainly for soundtracks, you're going to want to heighten some of the drama using the audio as well. And so how you can do it is you can adjust audio separately. So you can actually go through here and add your keyframes, and you can add them in separately. Or you can decide, all right, I want to kind of listen to it and see how it flows. So if you walk through it with me, you might hear this difference here. And so this one is, it's in master sequences. It's the desert montage sequence. So if you go to the desert montage sequence, you'll notice that there's like a nice little music, piano bed, and it sounds really, really nice. And so you can do this with a voice track. You can do this with an audio track, but it should be a pretty long track, because what we're going to be doing this is we're going to do this on the fly. And so let's start the playhead at the beginning, and you'll want to enable your keyframes. So you're going to write your keyframes here. So make sure you hit that button. And so now watch what happens when I play my video. So I'm going to hit the space bar, hit the space bar. So now I'm going to adjust my levels. I make it really, really loud, really, really soft. I'm making it loud and really, really soft. Make it loud and really, really soft. And then you can also adjust the pan. So you can make it go from one to the next. And you can even notice in the audio meters down here how this is changing. And you can really kind of confuse the viewer. And then look down at the bottom. If you see down at the bottom, you'll notice that there are several keyframes in this specific. See all these keyframes here. And so that way you can do things on the fly, and it might be really, really helpful for you to use in your sound editing project.